Hello everyone, welcome to another Chromebook tutorial video. Now in this tutorial video, I will show you how to turn on developer mode on Chromebook OS. Now this is fairly simple to do. All you have to have is an access to your Chromebook and you will be able to do it. So first of all, what we need to do is what you want to do is you want to enter the developer mode on Chromebook. So how can you do it? First, you want to press simultaneously escape, refresh, and power. This is what you want to do. After that, you want to go with Control and D, which will open on the first screen. So once you go on the first screen after this right here, you want to go and press Control and D, and then you want to press Enter on the second screen. Now the whole process can take around 10 to 20 minutes. Additionally, it will result in the loss of data that has been saved on your Chromebook before entering the developer mode. So you cannot get the Wi-Fi password without entering developer mode. So we already did a video on how to get a Wi-Fi password on Chromebook. That's why I'm talking to you with this right here. However, this is not the video about the Wi-Fi password. It's how to turn on the developer mode, which can happen with these right here. Now, this is basically how you can go and how you can turn on the developer mode on Chromebook. It's fairly simple. If you want to turn it off, you will need to do it in a different way. So make sure to watch our other video on how to turn it off. But this is pretty much how to do it and how to turn it on. So hopefully you find this video useful. If you did, leave a like down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.